Alright, let's check out this Hercules by Clayton. One take, no edits. Let's get started. Alright, so first things first. If you want to see this house, simply type in Hercules on the Clayton Homes portal and you'll be able to access it. This one's a 4-bed, 2-bath, 2,200 square feet. And let's clip through some of the pictures here. Dedicated working space, double vanity. Here's some of the pictures of the inside. Let's give you an idea of what to expect when you walk the house. But let's go ahead and walk this thing so that it makes more sense. Looking at it from the overhead, it is a 4-bed, 2-bath house. We have the primary on this side. We have 1, 2, 3 bedrooms, plus that primary makes it 4. You have the dual living room or living room den setup. And then you have a dedicated laundry space, the second bathroom on this side, the shared workspace here, and then the kitchen, living room, dining room area. Alright, so let's go ahead and walk the common area so it makes more sense. Step here, I'll zoom out so you can see everything. And this is the first thing you see when you walk in that front door. You walk in that front door and this is the first thing you see. Let's head over to the center line here so we can see what's on both sides. You have the living room, you have the kitchen, you have the dining area, and then you have the den here. Some people do a kids living room or a kids living room and then an adult living room, or they do like a playroom, or they do a sitting room, like a formal sitting room when you walk in, and then a dedicated living room space with the TV. Have your bedrooms on this side, and then you have your laundry room back here. On the other side, you have your primary. And then here's an idea of what it looks like if, let's say, you're in the kitchen working, maybe you're doing the dishes, maybe you're getting breakfast ready. Here's what you see. You can see basically the entire common open area. Tons of counter space. All right, let's go back to the overhead here. And then we'll go ahead and start with the primary bedroom. All right, so the primary bedroom is right here. Let's go right here so we can go ahead and start from the front door, the entrance here. Alright, so here's your entrance to the primary bedroom. It is huge. You have tons of space. You have room for a love seat. This can easily be a king bed with 2 end tables. Whatever size furniture you may have will definitely fit. You have a nice primary bathroom. This is one of those horseshoe closets, so you can walk all the way around. You have a double vanity, 2 sinks, 2 mirrors. You have a toilet on this side. You have a dedicated large soaking tub and a large walk-in shower. So this is a pretty complete primary setup here. Alright, so let's say you're heading out from the primary. You are in the open living space. And look at how much space this is. This thing is huge. There's tons of space. You can, again, do whatever setup combination you want for the double dens. Or you could even put like a giant 10-person table on this side, just make it a giant, eating area. It's whatever you want to do. There's tons of optionality with this house. You have the dedicated island here, and you can easily fit maybe 3 chairs on this side, one on each other side if you wanted to make it a 5-person in the morning. It does have that area for a wine rack or storage here. Tons of built-in space, tons of countertop, and tons of cabinet area. Alright, let's keep walking. You have the dining area, the dedicated dining area, and this one fits 6. You could easily make it 8, and then if you went long ways, it could be that 10. And then you are going into that second den. I imagine most people would put their TV over here. This would probably be more of a formal sitting room, or you could have a TV on this side. Here's your first bedroom. You have one bedroom right here. Good sized bedroom, closet. Then you come back this way, and then you have the other bedrooms. This one is, they're mirror images of each other. So you have one bedroom on this side, with the closet over here. Then you have the other bedroom on the other side, with the closet on the other side here. So, and there's your closet. And then you go here, and they have the dedicated workspace. It can be, a homework bench. It can be, if you work from home, this can be your area. And you have the bathroom here. It is a shower tub combo. double sink, double vanity, toilet here. And now we're going to head over to the laundry room slash mud room. You have your coat area, you have cubbies for your stuff, you have overhead storage as well. Then you also have the dedicated laundry room sink, that's important to a lot of people, and the area here for your washer dryer. So this house again is huge, 2,200 square foot, called the Hercules by Clayton Homes. I'll show you the overhead one more time. Let me know if you like this model. Let me know what you dislike about it or what models you want to see. Again, I do one take, no edit looks at homes all over the country. Let me know if you want to see anything else, and see you in the next one.